All right, let's first start with if I'm given parallel lines, what angles can you tell me are congruent? In this case, congruent, sometimes supplementary though. So I am told that BA parallel to CD, and also take a look, just like on your quiz, justify why. All right, so using those two parallel lines, maybe you want to take a transversal and cut them. Which angles up here are congruent, and be ready to back yourself up. Ready to go, 7. Any angles? BCs. Okay. You have these parallel lines. You could use this right here, BD, as your transversal. And then there are 2 angles in there that are some of the special angles we talked about. Three and 2, yes. 3 is congruent to 2. What type of angles are they? Okay, so parallel lines imply alternate interior angles, congruent. And I think that's about it for these. I couldn't find any more angles myself, so that's about as far as it went. Everybody all right? Okay, go to number 5 for me, please. Go to number 5, because you guys will have time to do the rest on your own. Number 5. Now you're asking which angles are supplementary, not congruent, supplementary, and why. So CA parallel to DE. Which angles are supplementary now? Not congruent, supplementary. Oh, number 1, any up here you see that are supplementary? Angle 1 and angle 3, yes. Angle 1 supplementary to angle 3. Why there, Meg?
Because same side interior angles when parallel lines imply same side interior angles are equal.
There you go. Okay, she just gave us 1 and 3, a pair of same side interior. Do we see them? Everyone, you need to highlight the parallel lines cut by that transversal right there. They're inside 1 and 3, and they're on the same side of the transversal. Okay, there is another pair up here that have absolutely nothing to do with parallel lines that I definitely know are supplementary. And I just use the numbers here. $29, see any? Has what's that? Why?
Actually, 3 and 4.
Yeah, how about 3 and 4? Yeah.
They're linear pairs.
Yep. 3 supplementary to angle 4. Linear pairs are supplementary. This had nothing to do with parallel lines. All right. And the final one I'll do with you guys here. Could you, yes, I know you could add on more. You could say BDE and ADE. You could say angle 2 and ADE. All right, I get that. I'm just going to leave it to the numbered angles. All right, yes, Meg. Supplements of the same angle are congruent. We're looking for supplementary. Okay, so there you go. Everyone good? Okay. Go to number 7A for me now. 7A. All right, if I tell you angle 1 and 4 are congruent to each other, which lines are parallel and why? And again, this is what I did on Friday with you guys. My preference is to always highlight the angle so I can see what transversal they have in common. And then from there, I say what line is parallel. Okay, so if 1 and 4 are congruent, that will let me know 6, which lines are parallel. AE, parallel to BF. Perfect. Now I'm going to ask somebody else, what type of angles are 1 and 4 then? What type of angles are 1 and 4? Here you go. 2, what type of angles are those? Yep. So I can say alternate exterior angles congruent imply I have parallel lines. Okay, some of these are going to be a little bit tougher. Call me over. What I do need to know is 1, 2, 3, all 4 of you, I don't care, in your group, to have your Chromebooks open and go to the homework answer folder for this week, and you will see all the answers to the class notes up there, so you can check yourself as you go along. If you don't see it, call me over and I'll show it to you. All right, because you guys have the rest of the time here, half the class, to do what you can here. Talk it over with your group, but hey, let's get answer keys open, please. Let's get answer keys open.